Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Today I will let you know about Hong Kong Ph.D. fellowship scheme. That's a big scholarship every year announced in Hong Kong government. Every year Hong Kong government announce this scholarship and that's a big amount. Even you can do it in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh and even for European countries. That's a big scholarship. So first of all, I will let you know what documents you require for this scholarship and application procedures and application deadline. Okay, first of all, I will tell you about deadline. The deadline of this university is almost start from September 1st, like September 1st 2023 to December 1st 2023. It's almost, they gave 3 months to apply for this scholarship. Okay, so what the procedure of the applying in this scholarship? First of all, you need to submit initial application on RGC portal, like Chinese government portal, Chinese government scholarship. They are also have same procedure. Like first of all, you need to apply for this portal, RGC portal, and then you will get one reference number. Okay, you will use this reference number. You need to save that reference number, and then the second procedure is like you need to apply on the university websites. They have 8 universities in whole Hong Kong. They are offering these scholarships, like City of Hong Kong University, Hong Kong Baptist University, Lingnan University, the Chinese University of Hong Kong, the Education University of Hong Kong, the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. So they almost have 8 universities. So you must need to select universities according to your majors. Okay, first of all, you need to check your university, which university majors is available for you and suitable for you. First of all, you need to check university websites. You will need to check majors and major requirement, because most of the university they require, like you need to contact with professors. But I also see it, there is many universities, they like 8 universities, they also requires, they don't need acceptance letter even for PhD. Okay, so you must need to check first of all university websites. Okay, so first one is you need to apply on RGC portal, and second one you need to apply on the university portal. Okay, so I will open one or two university portals and then I will let you know about their procedures. First of all, I will open this first university, like City University of Hong Kong. Okay, so I have opened this university. Okay, and they requires everything, they wrote it about everything, like introduction, entrance requirements, scholarship details, about application and program fees, like if you didn't select it on scholarship, and selection criteria, and enrollment, final enrollment. Okay, so first of all, I will let you know about funding and scholarships. About like first of all, if you check, they provides enough funds, for even for monthly stipends. Like on this scholarship, like Hong Kong PhD fellowship scholarship, you will get 3,530 8 USD dollars. Like if you will convert these dollars into Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh and other countries, like poor countries, there is enough money. Like in Pakistan, this money will become as 10 lakh local currency. So there is, that is monthly stipends, and even with monthly stipends, your accommodation is free, your living allowance, everything is free, right? Accommodation, tuition fees, and plus they also provide you traveling allowance, like 1,760 USD dollar. They also provide you, like for traveling, like some research project traveling, some for labs, for conferences. They also give you this money, and this money is also enough, like 5 lakh Pakistani or Indian. So there is enough budget for this scholarship, and that's a big scholarship in, even in Asia, even in China, even in Hong Kong. That's a big scholarship. So that is the basic procedure and basic scholarship, and these are offered to 4 years, like for 4 years PhD students. Okay, and next I will let you know about different programs they have different programs. I will open some programs, like this university don't have enough programs. They provide like MBA and management engineering. Like they have two programs for doctors availing this scholarship, like Doctor of Business Administration and Engineering Management. Like I will open engineering management. So they requires every department requires different requirements. Like some departments also require like you don't need to provide IELTS, TOEFL or GRE, but some departments they requires IELTS, TOEFL and GRE. So it's so that's why I told you you must need to check university website for subject for their specific requirements. Like for this subject they requires, like for PhD they requires master degree plus 5 year experience. Like some university also require experience, but some request universities don't require experience, because I know some of friends they just completed masters and they got PhD scholarship without any experience. So it depends upon you, okay, and depends upon university requirements, okay. And this university they also requires like a TOEFL and IELTS 6.5 bands. And if you are in mainland China, they also accept 6. So English proficiency on this program is not acceptable. But for I will open other university also, maybe they have. But mostly university they don't require IELTS. So you must need to check. Like selection criteria, this university they didn't wrote about any acceptance letter from professors. Like your they will check your academic excellence, research ability, cultural diversity, communication skills and leadership abilities and university sports. So they didn't wrote about you need acceptance letter, you need to contact with professors or not. But if you contact, there is 100% chance to get this scholarship, because that professor also help you to apply for this scholarship and will support you for this scholarship. So this is the basic requirements, and this is the deadline. This is the last year deadline. Like is September, call for application is open. Like this one is 23 and 24. This one is new, right? But they didn't change about new. Here will be 2023. So call of application is already open for this scholarship. And then you need to submit RGC online portal. I told you before, first you need to submit RGC portal application, and then you need to submit second application on university portal, and then you need to wait notification of results. It's almost announced in April and May 2023, like this year, and next year it will be April May 2023. So this is the deadline. And next I will tell you, this is the majors. Entry requirements is almost same. Like for master you need bachelor degree, for PhD you need master degree. So that is the basic requirements. Even you can also apply for bachelor degree, but this scholarship they mostly offered like PhD candidates, if you will apply for PhD, because they mostly offer this scholarship to PhD. 300 scholarship they already offers. And I know many friends from Asia, like Pakistani, India, they are still studying there. Last year they got admissions there. So it's a better chance to apply here, and also Hong Kong is a good, like for accommodation, for living and everything is different. So you must need to avail this opportunity. This one is, I already told you, like engineering management, plus this one is another university I opened. So this university is like technical university, okay, the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. So this university they also announce scholarship. They have different scholarship, even more than RGC scholarship, So you see this one, if you got like this scholarship HKPFS, you will get annual stipend like 42,000. Like for annual it's almost 3,500 I think per year, like USD. So it's almost same, like 3,500 is almost 10 lakh Pakistan, India, like. So next scholarship is research excellence scholarships. So it includes like tuition waivers and the 1770 I told you before scholarship. Like if you will travel for some conference, some research projects for labs, they will provide you these funds, and this one professor will help you to get this one, okay. And next one is cash award for the first years, 2,560 per year. They also have cash awards if you get good scholarship, your research benefits, research publications, they provide you this one, okay. And this is granted for place for 2 years. University accommodation they provides 2 years for this one. And next one I told you before, that is this scholarship PRPGS. They have different scholarships. So you must need to apply first for this scholarship. You need to get RGC scholarship. If not possible, this university also provides different scholarship. Okay. So what's the key attributes of HKPFS candidates? They have different requirements like your excellence. They will check excellence academic, strong research abilities, rich cultural diversity, exceptional leaderships, and outstanding communications and devoted uh, responsibility. Okay. And what's about their deadline? The deadline, most of the university, they have deadline for RGC scholarship is 1st December, right? And for application for Puli University, application deadline is also 1st December 2023. They have updated this university. This one is application. You first need to submit this application. Second application is on university portal. So this is the basic requirement. You must need to avail. You must need to check these 8 university. First of all, you need to visit their university website, their departments, and then majors. What majors your subject requires. For arts they require or not, acceptance letter they require or not. You must need to check these requirements in order to apply in this university. So that is the basic video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channels. If you need any kind of information about Hong Kong PhD fellowship scholarships, I will provide you. You can mention in my video comments. I will try to help you. So thank you so much for your time. Okay, bye bye.